Everyone knows why skyscrapers use one building, but bridges picks another. H-beam versus I-beam. We are breaking it down in 2 minutes. Stay with me. This beat starts as a red-hot delete, then gets crashed into that iconic H shape in one go. No shortcuts here. Result equal strength on all four sides, then 30% less than its rival. When your building needs to stand tall through storms, this is your MVP. Heavy factories, long bridges, jet oil rig in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, H-beams holding it all together. Old school but reliable. This one's rolled into an I, skinny middle, thick edges, simple but specific. Great at taking weight straight down, like a champ, but twist it, push it sideways, not its jam. Keep it vertical, fox. Perfect for 4 beams, light brackets or holding up machines. Gets the job done without breaking the bank. Let's spot the difference fast. H-beams flanges, flat, equal width, sharp corners. I-beam tapered flanges, sloped edges like it's leaning in. H-beam bends, not even when pushed from both sides. I-beam only happy with straight down weight. Big move. Need to span long distance or carry tons? H-beam. Just need a simple beam for sailing. I-beam saves you 30%. Kick right, build better. DM still, and I'll send you the full cheat sheet. Hit save if you are planning a project.